Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. It's lovely to see you again, because if you click this video, it means you're an organic chef, which makes you a thinker of healthy ingredients, not a junk chemical eater. Today, we're remaking Oreos using healthy organic ingredients and a collagen protein cream filling to enjoy post-workout. Ingredients are cream and collagen protein of choice. I'm using banana flavor. Adding butter will make it harden, I think. And then you add monk fruit sweetener or erythritol for the genuine sweetness of Oreos. 250 grams unsalted butter and 1 large egg, room temperature, cut up into cubes and left on the counter while you gather the rest of the ingredients. 1.5 cups of erythritol sweetener or monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 cup full fat milk, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1.5 tablespoons baking powder, 5 cups white unbleached flour sifted, but if you like the taste of spelt or whole grain, use that, 2/3 of a cup cacao powder, organic baker's syrup. And I worked out the solution to the crumble, so be sure to stay tuned. Step 1. We want these to turn out crunchy, so let's hope for the best. Grab your dough mixer bowl. I use this attachment so we can scrape down the sides. Cream the butter, sugar and salt first on low speed, then add the egg, milk and vanilla and mix on low speed again until combined. Step 2. Once it's combined, sift the flour, cacao and baking powder onto it. Step 3. Turn it on low speed, then increase to medium so the flour doesn't go everywhere and give you a hard time cleaning it. If your dough isn't sticky enough, when you squish it together with your hands, add a bit more milk until you get the consistency like mine. Keep in mind, when you refrigerate it, the butter will make it bond together, forming a hard dough. Step 4. Wrap the dough in cling wrap and chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Be gentle with the dough while wrapping it, then set your oven alarm for 25 minutes. Step 5. When the alarm goes off, preheat your oven for 5 minutes on 190 degrees, then grab your baking tray and add baking paper. Step 6. Here's my solution to the dough being too crumbly and not being able to knead it because the butter hardened too much in the fridge. Maybe we added too much flour, not enough butter, but anyway. Unwrap the chilled dough, crumble it into your dough mixer and add 1 tablespoon of baker's syrup. Let it work to form a stickier dough, then lightly flour the workbench and use a rolling pin to roll the dough out the same thickness as the Oreo cookie. Then get a round cutter and cut out as many Oreos as it permits, then re-knead the remaining dough and do that again. It took me a bit of trial and error, but I got it done to save you the struggle. Step 7. Place the Oreo cutouts on the prepared baking sheet. You want the cookies to come out dry and crunchy. Hopefully they do that when they cool down. Step 8. Bake for around 15 minutes until they turn a dark color. You can tell when the sides are cooked. It may take longer depending on your oven. Step 9. While they're cooling, grab your cream, collagen protein, I'm using banana flavor, and the monk fruit sweetener or erythritol you're using. Combine in a clean dough mixer bowl with the wire attachment. Mix until it's a perfect consistency for spreading. Step 10. The Oreos should have cooled by now, so grab a spreading knife and gently place cream onto the center of one Oreo, then sandwich another together. And you're done. Either refrigerate them or enjoy. They taste better than store-bought. It's a perfect mix of ingredients. Don't ask me how, but I think the organic ingredients work way better than the shit junk chemicals. Enjoy a healthier, chemical-free Oreo packed with nutrients, post-workout, or as an after-dinner dessert. Be seeing you.